Om Shanti. Good morning to all of you. I am Vijay Bhaskar. Today we shall try to know about mantra, a mystical formula. The importance and value of mantra was very well known to Indians since so many centuries before. They started worshipping the incorporeal God by chanting mantra. Mantra is a medium through which man awakens the inherent divine powers of his soul. He achieves some occult powers by observing certain rules and self-control while chanting a mantra. Let us first understand what is a mantra. Mantra is a combination of few alphabets or letters, which we call a word. Alphabets are expressed in two ways. One in written form, known as vowels and consonants. Secondly, through sound or utterance. Every alphabet has specific written form and sound which is different from each other. Alphabet in Sanskrit is called Akshar, which means imperishable. Each alphabet carry no literary meaning, but when uttered, its sound vibrations has its own effect. It spreads in the atmosphere as sound waves in all directions spherically. Just as when a pebble is dropped in still water, circular waves are formed which spreads on the surface of water to far extent. Similarly, sound waves reaches far and wide in the atmosphere. When few alphabets combine to form a word, it reveals a meaning. Now, mantra in Sanskrit is formed by two words. Man plus tar means mind plus enlightenment. So, mantra is that by consistent chanting of which mind gets awakened. That means mind becomes the source of benevolent positive thoughts. The letter or alphabet is a seed form. Therefore, in order to make the human life tree to yield the fruits of noble conduct, good character, and divine qualities like happiness, peace, love, bliss, and powers. A regular practice of chanting any mantra or mystic formula is very essential. Now, practice of mantra is done in two ways. One is verbal chanting involving sound, that is called jap. Another is mental chanting in silence, known as ajapa jap. Both the ways are full of divine powers. Jap is experiment of mantra called prayog, and ajapa jap is called yog, in which mantra creates a direct link between our soul and Supreme Soul, God, and enables the individual to experience the divine bliss. Many great devotional masters of the world, particularly in India, give mantras to their disciples. These are given by human beings to human beings. The attainments resulting through these mantras are short-lived may last for one or two births, that too useful for material life. It neither provides liberation from the world nor God realization. God says in Bhagavad Gita, Man Mana Bhava. It means remember me in your mind. This is the real supreme mantra given by God Himself, the supreme soul, to the human souls. God is Pranava. It means His form is the sound of Om. Therefore, most superior mantra is chanting the mantra Om. People in the world are given to believe that God is all pervading. In fact, He is not omnipresent. He dwells in His supreme abode called Paramdham. His divine powers are no doubt all pervading. The most powerful among them is the primeval sound called Pranava Nad or Om Dhvani that originates from Sun. The divine sound continuously emanates from the Sun along with light and heat in the form of energy waves that engulfs the entire universe and sustains sound, health, and happy life to all the creatures, crops, and the nature of five elements as well. Our great Indian sages had realized these truths centuries ago before Christ in Dwapar Yuga, the Copper Age itself. Therefore, they believed Sun as visible form of God and started worshipping it with reverence. The scientific researches confirmed it now in 21st century that the sound of Om is emanating from Sun. Therefore, in India, regular chanting of Om mantra is given the highest priority. So much so that no ritual is performed without chanting Om, the mystic mantra. When we chant a mantra with devotion and concentration of mind, its sound creates peculiar vibrations all over the body. The practitioner can feel this sensation. These vibrations enhances the body's immune system to a great extent. There are 72,000 nerves which get vibrated while chanting Om, by which healing process of any disease in the body gets activated. Even headaches, backaches, etc. can be relieved by this process. Regular practice of chanting Om mantra daily is very important. Along with this, doing some exercises, going for walking and jogging before sunrise is most essential. My viewers can get the details on this subject being highlighted in my previous videos on health tips to walkers and joggers. The body slowly becomes healthy by practicing all this consistently. When the sound of Om spreads outside in atmosphere, it renders the environment healthier for all. Similarly, when we chant Om silently in our mind or perform Ajapa Jap with devotion and concentration, the silent energy waves released by the mind are extremely powerful and spreads in the atmosphere very fast. They are capable to kill the virus present in the environment and renders the atmosphere free from any disease producing pollutions, which is very helpful to sustain good health for all creatures. In this process, first and foremost, these vibrations encircles around us as safety shield, then covers the entire mankind, all the creatures and whole universe to safeguard everything as an act of benevolence. When a single individual can do this human service by chanting the mantra of Om, then just imagine what would be the intensity of vibrations if the chanting is done in congregation. It becomes all capable to render the atmosphere very powerful and harmonious. Anyone who sincerely and heartily chants Omkaram or Pranavanad, the mystic mantra, twice daily at 4 am and 6 pm, 108 times, that is one complete rotation of a rosary, with full concentration of mind and intellect, will find good experiences in life quite soon. If it is not possible to do 108 times, at least 21 times must be practiced twice a day. That person also can experience good changes in life, but it may require longer time. However, it is practiced, positive changes in life are guaranteed. There should be no doubt about it. First of all, his concentration, attention, and retention power will increase. This helps to improve his grasping power, memory power, understanding power, ability to take right decisions at right time becomes sharp. His self-confidence and willpower becomes strong. He achieves success in all his endeavors. Thus, he successfully attains any aim object in life. On the other hand, his mind and body becomes healthier because his immune power gets enhanced. He never falls sick. He always remains active, healthy, ever smiling and happy. His old habits, negative attitudes, bad behavior, and low character all get transformed. He becomes peaceful and cheerful. He will treat everybody with love. He will become cooperative and helpful. Therefore, automatically he will get respect and honor from the society. Such person will always be full of benevolent thoughts and desires for others. He will be like a guide to several depressed, peaceless, fearful, sick, worried, and hopeless souls in the world. He will be like an angel showing a ray of hope in their lives and boost their morale to rise and reach their goal. By sincere and constant practice of this Pranavanad, the intrinsic divine powers of the soul get awakened. Most important of all, soul gets directly connected with the Supreme Soul, God, who is Almighty, incorporeal, Supreme Father of all souls, known as Shiv Paramatma, who himself is the personification of Pranavanad, Omkar, and an extremely subtle point of light called Param Jyoti. Soul, which is imperishable, starts experiencing all relationships with God and feels blissful. Thus, any practitioner can attain this highest state and can transform his human birth purposeful and successful. It is a fact and possible too, but for this, the practitioner needs to have firm confidence, unwavering faith in God, and strong desire in mind. By such regular practice, body's power of immunity becomes so strong that any present corona like pandemic can never influence his body and he will remain safe. My hearty desire in presenting this video to the public is that your practice of chanting Om Mantra may become successful and all of you may remain healthy, happy, and safe under the canopy of God Father. With this benediction, I am your brotherly soul, B.K. Vijay Bhaskar. I sincerely wish, if you feel this video useful to all, then please click on like, subscribe, and share with others in your contact and become instrumental for their good in life. Thank you. Om Shanti. May God bless you all.